And so the Juvederm gives you the porcelain and it absorbs water, right? So as it absorbs water, it makes your lips smooth and full. It'll give your face a nice gloss because it's hyaluronic acid, so it's going to absorb water and it's going to help close the pores. And the Botox is going to help with all the little tiny lines and also shrink the pores because we use it on sweat glands, right? And it shrinks the sweat glands. So it shrinks pores. And then the PRP acts like a fertilizer so that down the road in a couple weeks that kicks in and it lasts for months.